Hi, good evening or good afternoon. It's come to my attention that there's a lot of people who are gathered here or there this day to celebrate someone who's smart, good looking, sporty, funny, who has a good leadership, very intellectual, but so much about me. Today is Pastor Robert's big day, and I wish you all the best. I wish you a blessed birthday, bro. I want to tell you, you still look 41 from a distance, okay? And I just want to wish you all the best, Pastor Robert. I wish you Jesus. And I know we have come a long way. Um, for those of you who do not know, Pastor Robert and I used to sell newspapers when we were in grade schools. And you, Pastor Robert, have shown me good leadership, have shown me good examples on many aspects of our lives. In many ways, you're my leader also. And I know you have now come to an age when everything seems to be, in a way, so old. Everything seems so old and yet seems so new. It just seems like yesterday when you wrote me a letter saying that you were getting married. You were marrying Diane, and I couldn't go home because I was very new here in the UK. So that's one of the, in a way, greatest regrets of all time, that I couldn't witness your wedding. And now many years have passed. You are now retiring, you know and not only that you are retiring, we're still friends. We remain friends. Not only that we remain friends, we have remained servants of the Most High. And I remember it was you and our other brother boy who invited me to come to a Bible study so that I could hear and experience the born again experience. And of course, that was in 1980 in April, and the rest is history. And now we are both serving our Lord, and I'm so grateful that there was an invitation from you that I said yes to, and now we are both serving our Almighty Yahweh. And I wish you all the best. All right, and I pray that Pastor Robert don't grow old just yet. It's a big trap. All right, and I can truly say to you that you don't look your age. You look older. But I know, to the hearings of many people there, I know they really would not want to miss this day because they know who you are. They know your work. They know your humility. And I pray that you don't let anyone to take your humility and calmness as being your weakness, because I know it is your strength. It is your most strength. And that's where you actually, in a way, blossom in your humility. So on this day, I hope that you enjoy your day, enjoy your big moment, and enjoy your retirement. All right. Enjoy your pension age day. All right. I wish you all the best. And on behalf of Julie and everyone else here in London, UK, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, bro. And I truly wish you all the best. You're a good man. Be blessed. Enjoy your day.